winning Australian startup to visit Toulouse to meet European space experts. Adelaide, September 28, 2017. Airbus and other industry players yesterday held a new space and innovation competition at the International Astronautical Congress IAC 2017 in Adelaide. The initiative demonstrates the commitment of Airbus and its partners to support the development of Australia's space sector. The event was organised in conjunction with Australian space startup accelerator Delta, French space agency CNES, and the Government of South Australia. The participating teams pitched their ideas on future space ecosystems to judges from Airbus and its partners. First prize went to startup Arlila, which presented a proposal for an online marketplace for people to buy, sell and rent assets already in orbit. This can potentially help to reduce the costs and risks associated with the development of space infrastructure and projects. Arlila's founder and CEO Sébastien Chaoui received the prize from H.E. Christophe Penet, Ambassador of France to Australia. He will travel to the Airbus headquarters in Toulouse, France, to meet space experts from Airbus, Aerospace Valley BizLab and CNES to discuss his ideas, receive mentoring and learn more about their space projects. Sébastien Chaoui said the company is on a mission to make it easier for scientists, entrepreneurs and hobbyists to access space in new and innovative ways. Winning the Airbus competition will open doors for me to take my business to the next level. Valentin Marino, head of Airbus Defence and Space, Australasia, said that engaging the next generation is important for Airbus as the company grows its space footprint in Australia. Airbus takes a long-term view in supporting Australia's emerging space industry. We have proactively engaged with startups to explore, scout and partner them in developing an innovative Australian space ecosystem, added Mr. Marino. We have also responded to the review of Australia's space industry capability and support the government's proposed National Space Agency. About Airbus. Airbus is a global leader in aeronautics, space and related services. In 2016, it generated revenues of euros 67 billion and employed a workforce of around 134,000. Airbus offers the most comprehensive range of passenger airliners from 100 to more than 600 seats. Airbus is also a European leader providing tanker, combat, transport and mission aircraft, and is one of the world's leading space companies. In helicopters, Airbus provides the most efficient civil and military rotorcraft solutions worldwide. Media contacts Nathan Pick 610-439-676-909 nathan.pick@airbus.com Ted Porter 610-418-468-269 umtid@bigband.com